You ever wonder why some dog pooper scooper services are booked out weeks in advance while others barely get a call? Let's face it, dog poop may not be glamorous, but the business is solid and the demand is only growing. Whether you're just getting started or looking to scale up in 2025, this video is your complete guide to getting more leads for your dog pooper scooper service. No fluff, no gimmicks, just simple, proven steps you can use starting today. Stick around because you're about to scoop up success in ways you never imagined. Let's break this down into a clear path you can follow to generate leads consistently and grow your dog pooper scooper business the right way in 2025. 1. Understand who your customers are. Before we jump into tactics, let's get one thing straight. Understanding your ideal customer is key. Are you targeting busy pet owners, elderly homeowners, property managers, or even commercial spaces like apartment complexes and parks? The more specific you are about your audience, the easier it becomes to market to them. For example, a busy professional in a suburban neighborhood may be more inclined to pay for weekly pickups than someone in a rural area. Make a list of your top customer profiles and their pain points, like lack of time, mobility issues, or health concerns. And you're already ahead of the competition. 2. Optimize your Google Business Profile, GMB. If your dog pooper scooper service isn't showing up on local searches, you're leaving leads on the table. Set up a Google Business Profile if you haven't already. Here's what you need to do. Add a clear business name and description with your primary keyword. Dog pooper scooper service. Use high quality before and after photos of your work. Include your operating hours and service areas. Ask happy clients to leave detailed reviews. When someone searches dog waste removal near me or pet waste cleanup service, Google will prioritize local businesses that are active, consistent, and well-reviewed. This is one of the easiest organic lead generators you can set up.
3. Lam for simpler show optimizer websites.
No, you don't need to be a tech wizard. But in 2025, if you don't have a mobile-optimized website, you're basically invisible online. Use platforms like Wix, Squarespace, or WordPress to build a clean and functional site. Here's what your website must include. A homepage that clearly states your service and benefits. An FAQ section to answer common client concerns like, do I need to be home? Or what do you do with the waste? Service area map and pricing. A request a quote or book now button on every page. And make sure to include your keywords naturally. Phrases like professional dog waste removal or pet waste cleanup in your city should appear in headings, meta descriptions, and image alt texts. 4. Leverage local Facebook groups and community boards. You're not just running a dog waste business, you're solving a stinky problem, and that makes people talk. Join local Facebook groups where your audience hangs out. This might include neighborhood groups, community pet pages, forums, local mom groups. Don't spam these groups with ads. Instead, offer value. Comment on pet-related posts, answer questions, and offer advice. For example, hey, I run a pet waste removal service and we've helped homeowners like you keep their yards clean and smell-free. Let me know if you want a free trial week. 5. Run location-based Facebook and Google Ads on a budget. You don't need a huge ad budget to get results, just smart targeting. Run a simple ad campaign focusing on zip codes where pet ownership is high and homeowners can afford convenient services. Create ads that highlight benefits like weekly, bi-weekly, or one-time cleanups, satisfaction guarantee, eco-friendly waste disposal. Use high-converting calls to action like book your first pickup free or yard clean in under 10 minutes. 6. Referral programs that actually work. Word of mouth is powerful, especially in local services. Create a simple referral program for current clients. Give them $10 off their next service for every new client they refer. Send them a referral card they can hand to neighbors or share digitally. Offer a free month if they refer 3 clients. Make it easy for them to share your name. Bonus points if your business name is catchy and easy to remember. 7. Partner with pet-related businesses. Build a network of partners that serve the same customers. Dog walkers, pet groomers, veterinarians, pet supply stores. Offer to leave flyers at their front desk or give them a percentage for each lead they send your way. You could even trade services. Maybe clean their yard in exchange for promotion on their website or newsletter. 8. Use online review platforms wisely. Beyond Google, platforms like Yelp, Nextdoor, and Thumbtack can be goldmines for new clients. Here's how to win on these platforms. Set up a complete profile with pictures and a description that includes the phrase dog pooper scooper service. Ask satisfied clients to leave reviews regularly. Respond professionally to both good and bad reviews to show reliability and transparency. 9. Email marketing for repeat business. Once you've got a list of clients, don't just forget about them. Use email marketing to stay top of mind. Here's what you can send. Monthly service reminders, promotions or discounts, seasonal updates, spring cleanup special, pet tips and humor to build connection. Use MailChimp or ConvertKit to keep things organized and automated. Just one campaign can bring back past clients and generate new referrals. 10. Stand out with unique branding and customer experience. In a niche like dog poop cleanup, standing out visually and emotionally makes a big difference. Use a funny, memorable business name. Get a vehicle wrapped with branding so people see you around the neighborhood. Leave thank you cards or dog treats for the pet after service. A personal touch can turn a one-time customer into a long-term client and even a brand ambassador. 11. Offer free trials or first cleanup discounts. Who doesn't love a freebie? Offering a first cleanup free deal is a low-cost way to win trust and demonstrate value. Once people see how clean their yard looks and how convenient your service is, they'll be happy to sign up for a recurring plan. Make this offer clear on your website, social media, and printed materials. 12. Use video to market your service. Videos catch attention faster than text or images. Create short, engaging clips of your cleanup process before and after, client testimonials, funny or educational pet content. Post these videos on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Don't forget to use hashtags like dogwaster removal, DRosh poopers, Cooper service, JROS clean backyard. You might even go viral. Yes, even scooping poop can be entertaining. 13. Track your leads and improve constantly. Last but not least, don't just guess what's working. Track where your leads come from. Use tools like Google Analytics, call tracking numbers, CRM platforms like Jobber or HouseCall Pro. If Facebook ads bring in 70% of your clients and flyers only bring 2%, you'll know where to focus your energy and money. Now you've got a complete roadmap to getting more leads for your dog pooper scooper service in 2025. From setting up your digital presence to building referral networks and using targeted advertising, every strategy we covered can help you stand out and grow consistently, even in a niche others overlook. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with another small business owner who might need this. Thanks for watching, and remember, in this business, every scoop counts.